How to log into your Darwin Box employee account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to log in into your Darwin Box employee account. Without further ado, let's begin. First, we will launch any web browser. Navigate to search bar at top of your screen and type in Darwin Box login. Now press enter on your keyboard. After that, you need to click on the first link of this result page. Then you will land on the official interface of Darwin Box, where you simply need to enter your email or EMP ID and password. Here you can choose between the options listed here. And after that, you can easily click on the login box or sign in at bottom right corner of the screen. Once done, you will successfully log in into Darwin Box employee account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.